What it is? What's up? Dude, I got me a humongous burrito from Chipotle. Dude, they hooked it up. Like, for reals. Like, this is my hand. Like, I don't know if you guys can really see how it's like bigger than my head. But dude, when she was putting it together, they were like, look, everyone was looking. They were like, God damn. I was like, yeah, she's hooking it up. I'm like, I'm about to eat I won't have to eat for a whole week. And then the guy, that was one of her coworkers, I guess, was like, why do you do that? And she's like, I don't know, it's just a habit. I'm like, damn, leave her alone. She's hooking it up.
And we also got the queso, because you can't not get
Bomb
queso.
skis. What'd you get?
I got tacos. I always get the soft tacos.
It's gonna be another messy one, dude. I'm telling you. Look at it. Can't hear it.
Oh, and we got the new Chipotle flavor right now. The
oh yeah,
Chipotle honey chicken or something like that. Dude, that thing's like a beast.
Mm-hmm. Oh. I think I can finish this.
You're gonna eat the whole thing?
Yep.
Holy.
Put some queso on my burrito, baby. Yeah.
The soft tacos are super good, but they're like pretty messy. That's the only downfall about them.
See the steam rolling out of that? What'd you say?
But the tacos are good. They're my favorite, but they're so messy.
We're feeling good. We just got out of the gym. Well, we just got out of the gym. I'm hungry. And it's gloomy in the horizon.
Yeah, I can't even.
It's like my burrito's pregnant.
I was gonna try to show you my taco, but I'd rather not because these things fall apart. You got the super spicy hot sauce too.
Oh, I did? Oh.
And she put a lot in there.
I got the steak and that new flavor.
Oh, you got double? I don't think they. I don't think they charged us for a double.
It was half and half.
Oh. We were like, literally, we had paid and everything. We were literally just standing there, like, waiting for this burrito, this monster to get wrapped up. Hey, but she did it. It was tiny little girl.
Almost choked.
Wrapped that sucker.
Yeah. Props to her. Whoop. I just spat something, but props to her. For reals.
This flavor is good. It's a little bit on the... Oh, because it has honey. I was going to say, it's like savory and sweet at the same time. I always go for the barbacoa when I come here to Chipotle. This is a nice little twist.
My arm feels like it's like straining.
Because you're a child.
Whoa. I'm not eating my child.
Oh. It was like a baby when it was all wrapped up.
I'm not a cannibal.
But, you're gonna feel like 10 pounds heavier after that. Dude. It almost looks like a ball. Like,
Maybe
You can see the insides from the outside of the tortilla. It's so
don't be
stretched.
touching his tummy.
Oh, sorry.
I might have to hit up the gym again. Now I probably won't be able to eat the whole thing, but we'll see.
You gonna give it a good go?
Mm-hmm. I feel like I can though. I feel like I can, but I have to be smart. I might just finish it anyways. And not eat for the rest of the day.
Hey, but at least you hooked it up, because there's been times where, like, we got this little skinny taquito.
I mean, usually Chipotle does hook it up. Usually. Chipotle
This is how the tacos look really quick. You can get hard shell or soft.
Before you brutally interrupted. Chipotle, just kidding. Chipotle is my life. Is that what he does?
Mm-hmm.
We got to drink Coke Zero. Is that what it is?
Mm-hmm. But yeah, this flavor's pretty good.
Tastes kind of weird.
What?
The Coke.
Mm.
Tastes like Windex. Put some queso on my burrito, baby.
Oh
Yeah. Oh.
This is good, but I miss my barbacoa. It's just the way they season it or something. That burrito is insane. It literally looks like a ball.
It's a ball of goodness. What you looking at? People are staring. Hello.
I can't get over how huge that thing is. I'm already almost full, and I have one more taco left. Taquito.
You're beating me this time around.
Well, you got a freaking beast.
Oh,
I hope I'm beating you this time. That thing is a freaking beast.
Whew.
That's gonna put you straight into a food coma.
I'm already combed out. I'm already gone. But I might have to go back in Chipotle and change that drink.
Really? Is that bad?
Well, try it. You tell me. Don't die.
It tastes like it doesn't have like a lot of syrup. It tastes like a diet soda. I know it's 0 sugar, but it tastes like diet.
What?
Feels like diet has that like kind of
Chlorine-y type taste.
Dude, I'm freaking full.
What did I do? How much damage am I doing? This burrito's HP is still at least 90%.
Dude, that thing was so huge it didn't even look like you put a dent into it. But you probably ate like half.
Yeah. Wow.
No, nothing.
Whoa. Power through it.
You still have a whole other burrito left.
Yep.
The queso is so good though from this spot. My arms are so shaky. Looks like it's gonna rain again.
Yep.
Not finished.
It's good though. We're not gonna be in a drought.
Hopefully.
All right.
Don't push it.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. I think it wins.
I'm pretty sure the video didn't even give it justice of how huge this burrito was.
Looks like a turkey. Dude, I'm full, man. Oh my god. Sorry, guys.
Like I was saying, I'm sure the camera did not give it justice how huge this thing was, but this is like, that burrito was crazy. For a second, I didn't think she was gonna be able to fold it.
I know. Look, it's still like my fist. It's crazy.
That's what I said. You have a whole nother burrito left.
That bean almost flew out. You ain't going nowhere, bean.
Well, I chowed down all my tacos.
This burrito defeated me. It's all good though. That just means, yeah, I was about to say, that just means I have some more for later. But I am gonna get one more chip before we dip.
Wait.
Another chip in the dip before we dip.
You want me to wrap that beast?
Oh yeah, please.
Where the frick is the bag?
Wrap it up. Time to put them away. But yeah, guys, we're full. Man.
And I actually finished my food before the video ended. It's a new record.
But yeah, yo. Thank you guys for kicking it. It's a good time like always. Catch y'all in the next chill session.
Sorry, I'm here struggling with this little beast.
Your boy RD and your girl,
Okay.
we signing out. Keep it real at all times.
Potato.